views and opinions expressed in this program are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the views of Bronxnet or the program underwriters.
This is an initiative of Insight for New Housing's Executive Director Greg Bell in conjunction with Bronxnet Public Access Television's channels 67, 68, 69, 70, and Verizon Fios channel 33, 34, 35, and 36.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Tiffany, a Bronxnet reporter and correspondent. This is a special, informative, and educational edition of the Greg Bell Community Calendar brought to you by Bronxnet Television. Due to COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus, in this special edition, we would like to offer you tips and public health awareness information that can help you stay safe. On May 13th, Wave Hill presents Families Workshop Online, Self-Efficacy, Best Practices and Resources. Building on discussion about nurturing self-efficacy in our children, this session zooms in on best practices and how to encourage your children to be independent and self-motivated, even in this time of upheaval. We will discuss some of the research on how to teach productivity and independence skills and share successes and challenges we have had navigating work and homeschooling for students of all ages. Registration is free, but space is limited. This event starts online at 3:30 p.m. For more information, please go to wavehill.org. Once again, the website is wavehill.org. On May 14th, Digital Civics Workshops Virtual. Bronx Community Board 6 is co-hosting Digital Civics Workshops via Zoom and Facebook Live about the New York State and city budgets for the Bronx community. Community Board 6 is resuming its workshops that were paused due to COVID-19 and will now do them monthly digitally via Zoom and Facebook Live. This event starts at 6 p.m. For more information, please send an email to bronxcb6@bronxcb6.org. Once again, the email is bronxcb6@bronxcb6.org or call 646-474-3630. Once again, the telephone number is 646-474-3630. On May 15th, NYC Councilman Mark Ganaj presents NYCHA Resources, Teletown Hall with NYCHA representatives from the Department of Intergovernmental Relations. NYCHA resident representatives from the departments in District 13, including Boston Road, Middletown Road, Pelham Parkway, Random Balcom, and Throgs Neck Houses. Learn about the resources given to NYCHA residents during the coronavirus pandemic. This event starts at 4 p.m. To RSVP, please call 718-931-1721. Once again, the telephone number is 718-931-1721 or email mganaj@council.newyorkcity.gov. Once again, the email is mganaj@council.nyc.gov. On May 17th, Wave Hill presents Wellness and Cooking Zoom Yoga Series Virtual. Yoga returns to Wave Hill this spring online. Yoga Haven instructor Susie Caramonica leads this yoga class via Zoom platform. Through guided imagery, you'll feel like you're in the gardens enjoying a gentle yoga class. All levels are welcome. Once you register, you will receive a follow-up email with a secure private link to the event, along with details on how to prepare for the class. This event starts at 9:30 a.m. For more information, please go to wavehill.org. Once again, the website is wavehill.org. New York State Department of Health, DOH, presents job opportunities. New York State plans to hire a team of 6,400 to 17,000 staff statewide to support the New York State Department of Health and local health departments to perform contact tracing in communities across New York State. The aim of this initiative will be to call every person diagnosed with COVID-19, establish all contacts of this person, and proceed to call and maintain ongoing communication with every contact. In addition, the team will support the isolation and quarantine of individuals as appropriate in cooperation with the local health department. To be considered, candidates must be a New York State resident 18 years of age or older, meet the position description requirement, go through an interview process, and complete a training and certification program. New York State is looking to immediately fill the following roles: contact tracers, team supervisors, and community support specialists. If you or someone you know in New York State is interested in applying to be a part of the contact tracing team, please go to coronavirus.health.ny.gov/get-involved. Once again, the website is coronavirus.health.ny.gov/get-involved. This is a moment of crisis, and New York needs our help as soon as possible. On May 19th, the New York Botanical Garden presents Flower Arranging at Home online workshop. Bring cheer into your home and exercise your botanical creativity with live real-time guidance from designer Ensambi Woodson. Watch your fellow students' efforts online and get personal critiques from your instructor as you build your elegant arrangement with fresh flowers and veggies from your own garden, farmer's market, or local grocery store. Registered students will receive login instructions. This event starts at 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. For more information, please go to nybg.org. Once again, the website is nybg.org. Saluting Heroes of the Week: first responders, healthcare workers, essential employees, community associations and/or individuals, and local businesses. New York City Council member Mark Ganaj invites you to submit the name, picture, and a brief description of someone you know who lives or works in District 13 and is making an impact to their communities during the coronavirus pandemic. Please submit via email to mganaj@council.nyc.gov. Once again, the email is mganaj@council.nyc.gov. New York Public Library invites you to Research at NYPL, remote access to collections and services. During the temporary closure of the New York Public Library locations, the library's research collections and services remain available to help researchers access information and materials. From personalized email consultations with research librarians to expand access to NYPL online research databases. For more information, please go to nypl.org. Once again, the website is nypl.org. Hey, New Yorkers, you can prevent the spread of any virus, including the coronavirus. Here's what you need to know about the coronavirus. You can prevent the spread of any virus by staying home if you feel sick, covering your sneezes and coughs with your sleeve and not your hands, and washing your hands often with soap and warm water. If you feel flu-like symptoms, fever, cough, and a shortness of breath, and recently traveled to an area affected by coronavirus or have been in close contact with someone who has it, go visit your doctor. If you have symptoms but did not travel, stay home and call your doctor. If you need a connection to a medical professional, call 311. If you feel sick or feel well, everyone is required to wear a mask in public to help prevent the spread of the virus. For updates and other helpful information, please go to nyc.gov/health/coronavirus. Once again, the website is nyc.gov/health/coronavirus. Hey New Yorkers, don't forget about the 2020 census. This week through May 9th, households that had not yet responded to the 2020 census will receive another reminder postcard in the mail. The postcard is one reminder in a series of reminders that the Census Bureau has mailed to non-responding households since mid-March, urging them to respond. Households can respond online in English or in 12 other languages by phone or by mail. Help us spread the word about the 2020 census. Share this information on your social media to family members, neighbors, and friends. The 2020 census is happening now. If you did not receive an invitation to respond to the Census Bureau, you may respond online. For more information, please go to 2020census.gov. Once again, the website is 2020census.gov. Or call free 1-800-991-2520. Once again, the telephone number is 1-800-991-2520. Emergency HP Actions. The Neighborhood Association for Intercultural Affairs presents Free Housing Legal Services and Eviction Prevention Program. The primary focus is geared towards providing legal eviction prevention services to families, individuals who are working, receiving public assistance, or that meet the low income eligibility and are at risk of losing their homes. NAICA Homelessness Prevention Law Project, funded by the Department of Human Resources, currently provides free legal and referral services to over 2,000 households annually. If you need to file a case against your landlord for repairs, HP Action, you can call Housing Court Answers at 212-962-4795. Again, the phone number is 212-962-4795. The Housing Court Answers hotline is now set up to connect you with legal service providers in appropriate cases. All initial HP referrals will be made by HCA. For more information, please go to naicany.org. Once again, the website is naicany.org. Or call 718-538-3344. Once again, the telephone number is 718-538-3344. Hey Bronx small business owner, good news for you. SBA U.S. Small Business Administration presents coronavirus relief options to help you overcome the challenges created by this health crisis. Our nation's small businesses are facing an unprecedented economic disruption due to the coronavirus outbreak. President Trump signed into law the CARES Act, which contains $376 billion in relief for American workers and small businesses. In addition to traditional Small Business Administration funding programs, the CARES Act established several new temporary programs to address the COVID-19 outbreak. Paycheck Protection Program. This loan program provides loan forgiveness for retaining employees by temporarily expanding the traditional SBA loan program. EIDL Loan Advance. This loan advance will provide up to $10,000 of economic relief to businesses that are currently experiencing temporary difficulties. SBA Express Bridge Loans enables small businesses that currently have a business relationship with an SBA Express lender to access up to $25,000 quickly. SBA Debt Relief. The SBA is providing a financial reprieve to small businesses during the COVID-19 pandemic. For more information, please go to sba.gov. Once again, the website is sba.gov. Bronxites, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, wants to help you to identify the symptoms of COVID-19. Patients with COVID-19 have experienced mild to severe respiratory illness. Symptoms can include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. The symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after the exposure. Seek medical advice if you develop symptoms and have been in close contact with a person known to have COVID-19, or if you live in or have recently been in an area with an ongoing spread of COVID-19. For more information, please visit cdc.gov. Once again, the website is cdc.gov. Hey Bronx small business owner, SBA Coronavirus Economic Injury Disaster Loan is for you. The Small Business Administration, SBA, is offering low-interest federal disaster loans for working capital to A. small businesses, or B. private nonprofit organizations that are suffering substantial economic injury as a result of the coronavirus. If you are a New York State-based business, they can help guide you through this loan process. Here are the details. Your business must be experiencing a business loss due to COVID-19. Entities may qualify for loans up to $2 million. Maximum unsecured loan amount is $25,000. Interest rates, 3.75% for small business, 2.75% for private nonprofits. Term up to 30 years. Use of funds, working capital, paying fixed debts, payroll, accounts payable, other bills that could have been paid had the disaster not occurred. Applicants can have an existing SBA loan or other SBA loan and still qualify for this disaster loan. For more information, please go to nyssbdc.org. Once again, the website is nyssbdc.org or call 800-659-2955. Once again, the telephone number is 800-659-2955. This concludes this edition of the Speaking Community Calendar. The following public service announcements are available to the public all year long. New York State Department of Health, DOH, presents job opportunities. New York State plans to hire a team of 6,400 to 17,000 staff statewide to support the New York State Department of Health and local health departments to perform contact tracing in communities across New York State. The aim of this initiative will be to call every person diagnosed with COVID-19, establish all contacts of this person, and proceed to call and maintain ongoing communication with every contact. In addition, the team will support the isolation and quarantine of individuals as appropriate in cooperation with the local health department. To be considered, candidates must be a New York State resident 18 years of age or older, meet the position description requirement, go through an interview process, and complete a training and certification program. New York State is looking to immediately fill the following roles: contact tracers, team supervisors, and community support specialists. If you or someone you know in New York State is interested in applying to be a part of the contact tracing team, please go to coronavirus.health.ny.gov/get involved. Once again, the website is coronavirus.health.ny.gov/get involved. This is a moment of crisis, and New York needs our help as soon as possible. Hey Bronxites and all New Yorkers, the 2020 Census is for everyone and is happening now. You can respond online, by phone, or by mail. Despite the coronavirus COVID-19, you must respond to the census. The time is now. Help shape your future and your community's future by responding to the 2020 Census. The official Census Bureau mailings will include detailed information and a census ID for completing the census online. During this time frame, some homes will receive a paper questionnaire. The census will ask you a few simple questions about you and everyone who started living with you on April 1st, 2020. For the first time, you can choose to complete the census online, by phone, or by mail. You can complete the online questionnaire in English, Spanish, Chinese, Korean, Russian, Polish, French, Haitian Creole, Portuguese, and many other languages. If you did not receive an invitation to respond from the Census Bureau, you may respond online. For more information, please go to 2020census.gov. Once again, the website is 2020census.gov.
Can one girl in a small town, an architect in a major city, and a suburban high school coach shape the future of the United States? Yes, they can. Because every 10 years, the census gives us that power. You can shape your future by responding to the 2020 census. Where do we need new roads to make our lives easier? Where will new school programs help our children thrive? Where could a new health clinic benefit neighborhoods? The 2020 census will inform these decisions and shape how billions of dollars will be distributed to communities like yours each year. And in 2020, you can respond to the census online, by phone, or by mail. It's easy, safe, and important. Make sure you and everyone you know is counted. Now is the time for you to get involved. Your community needs you. Together, we can educate and excite, inspire, and make sure every voice is heard. Together, we can shape our future.
New York City Health Department presents guidance for people with HIV. Most people with HIV do not need to take additional precautions for COVID-19. There is no evidence that having HIV puts you at greater risk of the severe illness. People with HIV should take these steps to protect themselves. Take HIV and other medicines as prescribed. This will help keep your immune system strong, your CD4 count high, and your viral load undetectable. Maintain a supply of all your medicines. Do not wait until you are running low. Ask your HIV care provider or pharmacy for an additional month's supply of medicines. If you have trouble getting medicines, call the New York Uninsured Care Programs at 800-542-2437. Have a way to contact your HIV clinic. We may all have to stay home for the next few weeks. Use the clinic's online portal or make sure you can contact your providers by phone or text. Get the recommended vaccinations for flu and pneumonia. These vaccines prevent respiratory illnesses that could be confused with COVID-19 and help prevent getting too serious respiratory illness. These vaccines prevent respiratory illnesses. These vaccines help prevent respiratory illness that could be confused with COVID-19 and help prevent getting too serious respiratory illnesses at once. For more information, please go to nyc.gov/coronavirus. Once again, the website is nyc.gov/coronavirus. BronxWorks presents Food Resource Guide. In an effort to provide the community with vital services and resources during this time, the BronxWorks Community Health Program is sharing food resources available to help those in need. The following restaurants and food distributions will be assisting their communities as circumstances allow. Food pantries. Carolyn McLaughlin Community Center Food Pantry is located at 1130 Grand Concourse. They are providing food pantry bags every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. while supplies last. For safety, 3 people will be admitted to enter the pantry at a time. If you need more information, please call 508-3169. Jewish Community Council of Pelham Parkway Food Pantry is located at 2157 Holland Avenue. They are providing a food pantry on Thursday from 10:30 a.m. until supplies last. For more information, please call 718-792-4744. Christ Apostolic Church WOSEM Citadel of God Almighty Food Pantry is located at 442 East 183rd Street. They are providing a food pantry on Wednesday between 6:30 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. For more information, please go to 718-364-4320. Once again, the telephone number is 718-364-4320. Community Food Pantry at Highbridge is located at 1363 Odin Avenue. Food pantry requirements: bring a photo ID and a current address. Tuesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. and Thursday from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. If you need more information, please call 718-960-2262. For any questions regarding food resources available, please send an email to argill@bronxworks.org. Once again, the email is rgill@bronxworks.org. New York City Healthcare Volunteers. The City of New York is seeking licensed healthcare workers to support healthcare facility needs during this challenging time. Those interested must complete a two-step process to have their licenses verified and to be properly matched the available staffing requests. If you are a licensed out-of-state healthcare worker looking to volunteer, register with ServeNY as a non-medical volunteer and under the Disaster Healthcare Training section of the application process. To complete registration with the Medical Reserve Corps, please go to mrcvp.cityofnewyork.us. Once again, the website is mrcvp.cityofnewyork.us.
I'd like to thank all my Speaking Community Calendar viewers and listeners for tuning into the Speaking Community Calendar. Now, to submit your community event, please go to bronxnet.org/yourbronx. Once again, it's bronxnet.org/yourbronx. The Greg Bell Community Calendar is brought to you by Bronxnet Public Access Television, Channel 67, 68, 69, and 70, along with Verizon Bios Channel 33, 34, 35, and 36.